Standard 4th subject English Grammar. In last lecture we did chapter 3 kinds of sentences. Now today we are doing chapter 4 interrogative sentences. So first of all I'll tell you the definition of interrogative sentences. Let's see. Interrogative sentences are those that ask questions and have a question mark at the end. Interrogative sentences किसे कहते हैं? जो सेंटेंस में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है उसे इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं एंड उस सेंटेंस का एंड किससे होता है? क्वेश्चन मार्क से. उसे कहते हैं इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. आई रिपीट, interrogative sentences are those that ask questions and have a question mark at the end. Now let's see examples. Example number 1. Are you going to school? This example is of interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, first we put verb, after we put subject, after that we put object, and at the end of the sentence we put question mark. It is called interrogative sentence. Now let's see example number 2. Have you met Shashi? At last I put question mark. These example of interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, first we put verb, after that we put subject, after that we put object, and at the end of the sentence question mark are called interrogative sentence. Now in this chapter what we have to learn? Yes, we have to learn make questions from statement. मतलब इस चैप्टर में हमें सीखना है स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंस में क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस कैसे बनाते हैं. So making questions from statements. Let's see. Read the following statements. I have written 3 examples of statement sentences. Let's see one by one. Example number 1. I am intelligent. So, मैं intelligent हूँ. Example number 2. You have a pencil. आपके पास पेंसिल है. Example number 3. He is late. वो late है. तो ये है example of statement sentence. From this statement sentence we have to make interrogative sentence. So let's see how can we make interrogative sentence from statement. We can turn them into questions. ये तीनों एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, वो तीनों एग्जाम्पल्स को हमें क्वेश्चंस में टर्न करना है. मतलब क्वेश्चंस बनाना है इन द फॉलोइंग मैनर. तो उसके रूल्स है कि हम कैसे बनाते हैं स्टेटमेंट्स सेंटेंस में से इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. नाउ लेट्स सी एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1. I am intelligent. The sentence is of statement. ये स्टेटमेंट का सेंटेंस है. How can we change into interrogative sentence? Yes. First we have to find verb. From this sentence, which word is a verb? The word am is a verb. So, for making an interrogative sentence, put am at the beginning before the subject I. I के पहले हमें am put up करना है question बनाने के लिए. So here I put am, I intelligent. At last we put question mark. And you have to keep in your mind always in interrogative sentence always and with a question mark. अगर आप question sentence बनाओ तो उसमें लास्ट में question mark put up करना ही है. Next example. Example number 2. She was sick. The sentence is of statement. ये statement sentence है. उसमें से हमें interrogative बनाना है. So let's see how can we make interrogative sentence. Yes, first of all we have to find verb. अगर वर्ब मिल जाए तो उसको सब्जेक्ट के पहले पुटअप कर देना है. So put was before the subject she. In this sentence, was we have to put before the subject. So was is a verb, she is the subject. Sick. At last we put question mark. Was she sick? तो ये क्या बन गया? Question sentence or we can say interrogative sentence. Now let's see example number 3. He is late. The sentence is of statement. ये statement sentence है, उसमें से हमें question sentence बनाना है. Question sentence बनाने के लिए पहले हम verb find करेंगे. तो इस sentence में verb है is. तो is को हम subject के पहले put up करेंगे. So put is before the subject he. So here I put is. After that we put subject he. Late. At last we put question mark. So is he late? So ये क्या बन गया? Question sentence. Don't forget. Keep in your mind every time. In interrogative sentence, a sentence end with a question mark. Okay? Now, next point. When the verb has more than one word. अगर sentence में verb एक से ज़्यादा word दिए हैं, तो उसमें हम कौन सा verb पहले put up करेंगे? Yes. We put the first word before the subject. दोनों verb में से जो first verb है, उसको हम पहले put up करेंगे, subject के पहले put up करेंगे. So I'll explain you with example. So I have written here example. Let's see example. He has seen your report card. The sentence is of statement. Now, first of all we find verbs. In this sentence, two verbs are given. यहाँ पे दो verbs दिए हैं, ठीक है? Has seen. दोनों word है वो verb है. दोनों word है वो verb है. अब अगर हमें question sentence बनाना है, तो पहले कौन सा verb put up करेंगे? Yes, we put the first word before the subject. इन दोनों word में से first word है, उसको हम subject के पहले put up करेंगे. So has seen. दोनों word है वो verb है, लेकिन हम question बनाने के लिए has को subject के पहले put up करेंगे. Means has को हम he के पहले put up करेंगे. So first we put has he seen your report card. तो ये क्या बन गया? Question sentence. Has he seen your report card? At last we put question mark. So ये question बन गया. Look at here. Put has before the subject he. ये seen है वो क्या है? Verb है. Put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Means you have to keep in your mind always in a sentence, if two words are given as a verb, so we put the first word before the subject. Okay? Now let's see. Here are more examples of statements change into interrogative sentences. So यहाँ पे मैंने और ज़्यादा examples लिखे हैं कि हम statements में से interrogative में कैसे change करते हैं. Let's see example number 1. He will come tomorrow morning. The sentence is of statement. We have to change into interrogative sentence. So always you have to keep in your mind two things. In interrogative sentence, a sentence starts with a verb, and second thing, a sentence ends with a question mark. And also a sentence begins with a capital letter always. So here in this sentence, he will come tomorrow morning. In this sentence, which word is a verb? given. Will come. उसमें से जो फर्स्ट वर्ड है वर्ब का वो हम सेंटेंस की शुरुआत में पुट अप करेंगे. So will we have to put before the subject he. Okay. So here will he come tomorrow morning. तो इसमें हमने क्या किया, पहले वर्ब पुट अप किया. will come दोनों वर्ड्स है वो वर्ब है, लेकिन फर्स्ट वर्ड we put before the subject. So यहाँ पे हमने पहले will put up किया, बाद में subject he, बाद में again verb come tomorrow morning. तो ये क्या बन गया, interrogative sentence from statement sentence. So will he come tomorrow morning? Okay, now let's see example number 2. The boys were tired. So from this sentence, first of all we have to find verb. Which word is a verb? Were. And subject, the boys. We can call the subject. तो इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए पहले हमें वर्ब पुट अप करना है. सो पुट वेयर बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट द बॉयज. Where, after that we put subject the boys. After that we put object tired. At last, at the end of the sentence we put question mark. So were the boys tired? Now let's see example number 3. She was the winner. Yes, the sentence is of statement. From the statement we have to change into interrogative sentence. First rule, we find the verb in the sentence. Sentence में verb कौन सा है, was. So always keep in your mind, put was before the subject in the sentence. मतलब कि सेंटेंस में जो वर्ब है उसको सब्जेक्ट के पहले पुट अप करना है. Which word is the subject? She. So इस सेंटेंस में हम पहले was पुट अप करेंगे, बाद में सब्जेक्ट she, बाद में ऑब्जेक्ट the winner. At the end of the sentence we put question mark. So was she the winner? ये क्या बन गया, interrogative sentence. Now let's see example number 4. The girl was in class 3. Okay. Now from this sentence, first of all we have to find verb. In this sentence, which word is a verb? Was. So put was before the subject the girl. So यहाँ पे हमने was put up कर दिया, ठीक है, subject के पहले. After that we put subject the girl. After that we put object in class 3. तो ये क्या बन गया, interrogative sentence. Now was the girl in class 3? So here I make a interrogative sentence from statement. Now again let's revise the definition of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are those that ask questions and have a question mark at the end of the sentence. So इसे कहते हैं interrogative sentence. So always you have to keep in your mind, interrogative sentence starts with a verb and with a question mark, and like this you have to make a question sentence. So here explanation of interrogative sentence completed.
आभार.